Looking for a powerful and reliable farm vehicle? Meet the 1000W electric agricultural tricycle, capable of carrying up to 1 ton of load effortlessly, perfect for farms, gardens, or any heavy-duty delivery task. This tricycle is not only eco-friendly but also customizable to your needs. From motor power to battery capacity, you can tailor it for maximum efficiency. With a maximum speed of 45 km per hour and a lightweight 200 kg frame, it's easy to maneuver and saves you hours of manual labor. Don't wait. Upgrade your farm operations today. Click the link below to buy now and get special discounts via